Welcome! In this video, we'll dive into Decentraland, a virtual world built on the Ethereum blockchain. Imagine buying, selling, and trading digital real estate as NFTs. That's Decentraland. Designed for gamers, creators, investors, and metaverse enthusiasts, Decentraland offers a digital universe to interact, socialize, and build. A key feature is virtual land ownership. Buy plots of land, called land, using Mana, Decentraland's cryptocurrency. These NFT plots can be built on, rented, or resold on the Decentraland marketplace or other NFT platforms like OpenSea. See potential in virtual real estate? Decentraland is perfect for personal development, investment, or creating virtual experiences like games, social hubs, or stores. Intuitive builder tools let anyone create 3D environments and games without coding. For developers, the SDK offers advanced customization and functionalities. Decentraland also hosts regular events, from concerts to conferences, creating a constantly evolving social space. The Mana-based economy lets you buy land, wearables, and other avatar assets, adding personalization. This NFT economy gives real-world value to acquired or created assets, allowing you to monetize your activities. Decentraland's decentralized governance, run through a DAO, gives the community a voice in the platform's future. Land and Mana holders vote on developments and changes. Decentraland is more than just digital assets. It's an immersive experience blending digital real estate, social interaction, and economic opportunities. Explore the future of virtual worlds and the metaverse? Check out Decentraland. All the links are in the description below.